Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove page break on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove page break on Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open the document, and here I have a page break here, and I want to remove the page break. That just keep your cursor beginning of your break page, and now just click on backspace. Look, the one break has removed. Now I am going to remove another page break. Keep your cursor to the beginning of the broken page, and then click on backspace. Look, the page break has been removed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.